The town is the harbinger of everything fashion in India. All the trends, the fads and everything in between come together to form the fashion diaries of the tinsel town. And the week gone by actually gave us a lesson in smart fashion. There were hits and misses in that as well. Starting with Kiara Advani, she attended Twinkle Khanna's book launch in Mumbai wearing two of the biggest trends of 2023, pantsuit and Barbiecore. Her loosely fitted lavender pantsuit paired with a white top and pointed heels was a 9 to 5 look that looked effortless. This look, however, looked similar to several of her outfits that she has worn in the recent past. Time for some rejig? Maybe. Katrina Kaif embraced her curves in this body-hugging black off-shoulder dress as she joined her husband Vicky Kaushal and family at the Sam Bahadur screening. The strappy heels looked perfect with the dress. We liked this. Alia Bhatt also made a fashionable entry at her husband Ranbir Kapoor's animal screening. She donned a white t-shirt which featured graphics of Ranbir's character from the film. Alia paired her casualty with a black loose pantsuit. And we must say, Alia is killing the short hair look, don't you agree? And how can we skip Deepika Padukone's airport look when we are talking about fashion? She gave Mumbai a glimpse of chic winter styling as she wore mom jeans with a high neck and an oversized jacket. Moving on to the less impressive ones. The gorgeous Sonam Kapoor's all-black fit at an event looked all over the place. The retro hairstyle and the outfit with too much leather looked mismatched, and even Sonam failed to carry it with ease. The same goes for Shanaya Kapoor, who failed to carry the short sparkly dress comfortably as she kept adjusting her dress to pose for the paps. What is even fashion without comfort? Now, if we talk about Khushi Kapoor's look, it looked too overwhelming. The look contained too many elements which clashed with each other. The result? A totally forgettable look. What do you think? Share your views on the best and worst dressed among these divas and do subscribe to Shosha for more on fashion.